Today we're heading down to the Philadelphia Flower Show. This is the longest running flower show in the nation and started in 1829. This year's theme is the wonders of water, so if you enjoy seeing plants, ponds, waterfalls, and an indoor rainforest, please keep watching.
Well, we made it to the Philadelphia Flower Show.
Keep watching to see all the great displays. When you first arrive, you'll be greeted by an indoor rainforest. Take a look. And there's water everywhere. If all that water gets you thirsty, check out the Stella Airstream. And if you start to get a little hungry, head over to Tomini Brothers right at the show for a little coffee and maybe a cannoli.
That's right.
Best cannoli ever. And here's a quick look at some of the many other displays here at the Philadelphia Flower Show. And while you're here, check out the many vendors.
Hi, that was fun. Now we're gonna head out and have a drink.
Hey, how about a beer?
Okay.
Heading over to Varga on 10th and Spruce for a burger and beer. That's good. That's a good burger. The meat, the bun, pickles, spicy ketchup, onions, excellent. Excellent. Thumbs up. Well, it's time to go home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and click that bell. Until next time, safe travels.